Windows are an essential feature of every home, offering light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. But in areas like Little Rock, where severe weather can strike, traditional windows may not provide adequate protection. Impact windows, originally designed for hurricane-prone regions, are becoming increasingly popular in areas with unpredictable storms, strong winds, and fluctuating temperatures. These windows not only enhance safety but also bring numerous other benefits to homeowners. Here's why installing impact windows in your Little Rock home is a smart investment that enhances security, comfort, and value. Superior storm protection. Little Rock's weather can be unpredictable, with occasional severe storms, high winds, and even the risk of tornadoes. Impact windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and protect your home from storm damage. Reinforced glass. Impact windows are made of laminated glass with a durable interlayer, preventing shattering even when struck by debris. Strong frames. Reinforced frames made from materials like aluminum or vinyl provide added stability and strength. Continuous protection. Unlike shutters or temporary barriers, impact windows offer year-round protection without the need for installation or removal. By installing impact windows, you can safeguard your home and family from the damaging effects of severe weather. Increased security. The impact windows don't just protect against storms. They also enhance your home's security by making it more difficult for intruders to break in. Shatter-resistant design. Even if hit with force, the glass stays intact, deterring burglars and preventing easy entry. Tamper-proof construction. Reinforced locks and sturdy frames add another layer of defense against break-ins. Peace of mind. With impact windows, you can feel confident that your home is secure, even when you're away. Installing impact windows is a proactive step toward creating a safer living environment for you and your loved ones. Enhanced energy efficiency. Little Rock's hot summers and cool winters can lead to high energy bills if your windows aren't energy efficient. Impact windows are designed to improve insulation and reduce energy loss, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Double or triple glazing. Multiple layers of glass with insulating gas help regulate indoor temperatures. Low E coatings. These coatings reflect heat, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Sealed construction. Impact windows are tightly sealed, preventing drafts and air leaks. With improved energy efficiency, you'll enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy Little Rock neighborhood or near a major road, outside noise can disrupt your home's tranquility. Impact windows provide excellent soundproofing, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Thicker glass. The laminated glass used in impact windows dampens sound vibrations, reducing noise from traffic, construction, and neighbors. Tight seals. The airtight construction of impact windows minimizes sound infiltration. A quieter home promotes relaxation and enhances your quality of life. UV protection. Exposure to ultraviolet, UV, rays can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, and artwork. Impact windows often include UV blocking features to protect your home's interior. Preserve furnishings. By filtering out up to 99% of UV rays, impact windows prevent fading and extend the life of your furniture and decor. Natural light without harm. Enjoy the benefits of natural light without worrying about the damaging effects of UV radiation. This feature adds both practicality and peace of mind to your home. Improved home value. Impact windows are a sought-after feature that can significantly boost your home's value and appeal in the Little Rock real estate market. Increased resale value. Potential buyers appreciate the added safety, efficiency, and durability of impact windows. Curb appeal. Modern, stylish designs enhance the exterior look of your home, making it more attractive to prospective buyers. Insurance savings. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes equipped with impact windows, reducing your overall cost of ownership. Investing in impact windows is a smart move that pays off in both immediate and long-term benefits. Low maintenance and durability. The impact windows are built to last, requiring minimal upkeep compared to traditional windows. Weather-resistant materials. High-quality frames resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in Little Rock's fluctuating climate. Scratch-resistant glass. Durable glass surfaces resist scratches and damage from debris or everyday wear. Hassle-free maintenance. Simple cleaning is all that's needed to keep your windows looking and performing their best. The durability and low maintenance of impact windows make them a practical choice for busy homeowners. Conclusion. A wise investment for Little Rock homeowners. Installing impact windows in your Little Rock home is more than just a protective measure. It's a comprehensive upgrade that enhances safety, efficiency, comfort, and value. From safeguarding your property during storms to improving energy efficiency and reducing noise, impact windows provide a range of benefits that make them a worthwhile investment. If you're ready to protect your home and enjoy these advantages, consult a trusted local professional to help you choose and install the perfect impact windows. With their expertise, you can ensure your home is prepared for any challenge while enjoying a more secure and comfortable living environment.